Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells containing the text you want to justify. Make sure text wrap is turned on so lines can expand. Click Format Text Wrapping Wrap or use the toolbar icon. Once done, go to Format Align to access horizontal alignment options, then choose Left, Center, or Right to prepare the layout. You do this because Google Sheets lacks a native full justify command. Wrapping plus manual alignment gives control over text appearance and spacing. Now refine spacing so the wrapped lines appear justified. Resize columns to distribute words more evenly. Narrow columns force line breaks in sensible places. Use Format, align left or right selectively across cells in a row to push text so both edges look balanced. Insert small indents or use a non-breaking space trick where needed to nudge words. You can also split long paragraphs across adjacent cells to maintain visual consistency. These tweaks create the illusion of full justification within Sheets constraints. Finish by standardizing font, size, and cell padding to keep spacing predictable. Mixed fonts will ruin alignment. If you need true full justification, copy the text to Google Docs or Slides, apply Justify, then paste back as an image or formatted block. If alignment looks off, make sure Wrap is enabled and adjust column widths before changing alignment again. One key troubleshooting tip: if lines suddenly shift, check for trailing spaces or hidden characters and remove them, then reapply wrapping and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.